I'm going to rebuild a set of front forks for a Mini Indian today. And this is a Mini Indian. This is the MX version. It's a Mini Indian. MM5A. This is an MX version my dad built a few years ago. The one he's building now is like this. And this happens to be my first bike. And that's me. The springs need to be rebuilt. They were rotted out, rusted out in the originals. And I'm also going to have to rebuild one lower. And you'll see as we go.
Polyethylene plastic. Its molecules are extraordinarily long and narrow. In their usual state, the molecules have no organization, but in the hips of these deceased patients, it looked different. We found that all of the strands...
Okay, if you're curious, I cut these springs about 7 inches long. The springs are about 860 wide. They're a little over 100,000. Focus. This piece, 790. Okay, so here's the plan. This piece, the spring goes down the fork tube. There's a complete fork tube. It goes into this piece. This wall is too thin. Plus I gotta fix this hole. So I made this sleeve to go in. It's tight fit. We're gonna put that on there. Like so. And let's weld that up. So here it is after welding. Now we got to go grind it and sand it. Okay, here we got the forks. You see the springs are in. Here's our new piece, new fork leg. It's not perfect, but once it gets powder coated you won't see any of that. So it goes on like this and screws on. And it's in there. And there it is. So now she can go to coat. Thanks for watching.